Where do you fancy going?
Fancy going over Fifeway?
Aye? Or what about running out to Callander?
Aye. Callander sounds good, eh?
Aye. The fuck?
It's in gear and your side stands down. We'll have to glue this left hand grip back in.
Think so?
It's fucking moving a bit, eh?
Alright today?
Eh?
Look alright today?
Aye? The gorge.
Cycled up this a few times.
I've brought a few trucks down this. Never brought a coach or a bus down it, but trucks, aye. Milk trucks. And co-op, mostly the co-op. Didn't like that job at the co-op.
Tell you what, there's good torque in this.
Yeah.
This is the first time we've been out, but you've got the bigger engine.
I'm the big boy.
9.5 degrees.
It's alright, eh?
In summertime, man.
Scorcher. Does that suit the Bandit?
Oh, hello.
Oh, hiya.
You go first. I've never seen it for the back.
Have you not?
That looks cool as fuck. It just suits you right down to a T.
They fit it quite well then.
Can't say much about your fucking high B gear.
I know, it's just to keep the chill off, eh?
I've just got a normal jumper on under this. And a t-shirt.
I've just got a t-shirt. I brought my wee hoodie down, but I forgot to put it on. My wee fleece hoodie, that's really warm, that, eh?
This jacket's good though. See the fueling and stuff?
Aye.
I like that. But I think BMW jacket around about April, I'll start wearing that.
Yeah.
Because what I didn't want to do is, I've never worn it before, so I don't know if it's fucking warm or not.
Yeah. I would try it.
So,
you'll be surprised.
Well, BMW don't put their name in, do they?
Nah, we're going left here, eh?
I just keep going.
Alright, enough. Does the Bandit look alright for the back?
It looks amazing.
And that's it without its luggage.
Oh, eh?
We'll need to start looking at the luggage for the GSA.
Nah, there's no rush for that. I'm averaging 62 mile a gallon.
I've not got a clue what I'm averaging.
Not a lot.
No, not be as much as that. Try about 40.
Ah, maybe about 40. This will probably do similar to your Honda.
What, the Bandit?
No, this. The GS.
Aye, MPG wise it will, eh?
Aye.
There, you can feel the chill in the air here, eh?
Can you?
Yeah.
Goes to the mountains.
The mountains.
And in
Callander.
the valleys.
In the valleys.
Okay, we're here already.
Right.
Fucking hell.
I know. Didn't take long, did it?
Ah. Many times I've been on my way to Inverness or Fort William this way.
Yeah.
Which is about breaking up a fucking between a car.
Ah, but he could have been further over a wee touch. I used to deliver to the co-op up here.
Did you?
At Callander, aye. That was over 20 years ago, bloody hell.
Just a nipper snapper.
Aye.
20 years ago I was 42.
I was 28. There's the code there. It's not changed, apart from the signage.
Shows you how long these businesses last with food, eh?
Aye.
We just passed a hotel, I did solar on it.
Screw it. That's a brilliant name for a shop.
Oh no way.
Screw it.
I'm trying to get used to putting my right foot down because I've always put my left one down, eh?
Aye. Well, it's only because you're carrying a hip injury.
That's 45 mile we've done.
Already, yeah.
Aye?
There's a modern name for a shop. Hashtag.
Hashtag. That's quite cool, eh?
Aye. Nice wee town this, eh?
It is, I like it.
Cat.
Coffee from here, eh?
Aye, my treat, coffee and a bacon roll or something, eh?
Go and get a bit of hash.
Hashish. Hashtag.
Jeez, man.
I don't know how folk can smoke that stuff.
I don't know how people can smoke, including fucking you with that vape.
I had a vape. I haven't had a cigarette since May last year.
Better go on left here.
Oh. Hi everyone, I'm here. Need to get used to this horn, eh? I don't think Willie's had a cigarette either.
Is that? Has you lost any weight then?
No. Where are we parking, Willie? Willie. Alec. Where'd you think? You're in the right, you're in the half right about it being busy with bikes, eh?
Aye. £2.20 for fucking 2 hours.
Oh, for a bike?
I don't know.
No charges for disabled badges.
I don't think you put a parking ticket on a fucking bike, somebody could take it off.
I know.
Let's go and get a space somewhere, eh?
Aye.
But do you want to go in there?
It's up to you.
Probably park outside for now, wouldn't you?
We'll see if there's any spaces up there, eh? Oh, I'm in a sec. I think they're looking for a space as well now. Isn't it half busy, eh?
Aye. Always like this.
Aye. I don't know if they're coming out or... What about just right next to this ticket machine there?
That'll do.
Ah, stay a wee U8. Or even there where you are.
He's parking here.
Aye.
Aye.
I'll just squeeze in on your left hand side there, eh?
Right, that's fine, but I go off. Oh, fuck. Oh.
Or even I could go in beside that scooter, eh? Over there.
Just go in there. You in there?
Maybe if you move over to the right a wee bit, or if I can go over there.
But just in case somebody comes out here.
Aye, true. Right, I'll go over where that scooter is.
Go on then.
Don't know what he's doing.
Enjoying yourself.
That's what it looks like, eh?
Not bad yourself.